Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Location services must be enabled, and the app needs precise location. Open Settings, Privacy, Location Services, turn it on, then open the app entry and set permission to while using or always. Once done, restart the iPhone to refresh sensors and network stacks. Make sure airplane mode is toggled on for about 10 seconds, then off, so cellular and GPS radios reinitialize. These steps fix most permission and radio handshake problems quickly. Next, verify software and network integrity. GPS relies on system updates and assisted data, so update iOS if available. This can patch location bugs and improve GNSS support. Once updated, test in Apple Maps. If coordinates are wrong, reset network settings to clear corrupted cellular, Wi-Fi, and location caches. Remember, this removes saved Wi-Fi passwords. Then test again in both Apple Maps and a third-party app to rule out app-specific problems. Make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled for advanced troubleshooting. Calibrate sensors. Open the Compass app and perform a figure 8 motion to recalibrate magnetometer, which aids GPS orientation. If problems persist, back up your data and perform a factory reset via Settings General Transfer or Reset. This rules out deep software corruption. If GPS still fails, try an external Bluetooth GNSS receiver to determine if the internal hardware is faulty. If the external device works, you likely need Apple service. Otherwise,
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.